guys, just wanted to let you know I'm on my way right now to pick up the sliders for my ZR 7000. This time, instead of buying the regular sliders, I decided to buy the DuPont sliders. Anyway, we're gonna try them out this time and see how they are. I'm just on my way to a place called JT's in New Lowell, Ontario. I get a lot of my parts and stuff from them. They're really good to me, fair prices, and always treat me well. So I recommend them if you need parts or service or anything for your snowmobile or ATV. They're definitely good. So yeah, you can see I got snow on the front of the hood, and it's snowing a little bit right now. So yeah, like I said, I'm on my way to get the sliders right now. So I'll be back with you in a sec when I get there. Got an old Formula. A nice big field full of stuff. Here we are. Alright guys, we're back. Just picked up the new pair of DuPont slides. We get back home and we're going to install these bad boys. Look at this. It's beautiful. What more could anyone ask for? A little snow on my birthday. Morning, it's 5 a.m. December 1st. Just woke up, get ready for work. And we got a little bit of a surprise here. A little bit of snow. So I'm off to work, and hopefully when I get back we got more snow and we can go for a ride. Hey guys, I'm really excited. We got, as you can see, lots of snow here, and I really want to go snowmobiling, but I'm gonna hold off because there's just not quite enough for me. The driveway's thin, gonna kind of scratch it up if I go, and the snow's kind of like heavy and packy, and it's kind of crappy, so maybe next time. Alright guys, welcome back to another video. I got a good one for you today. We're gonna do sliders, and we're gonna do some suspension adjustments, and we are gonna make some adjustments to the clutch kit on the ZR 7000. So we got her up on the lift, ready to go. Got the sled videos going. All right, so right now, what I'm looking at doing right now is I got a SPEEDWERX clutch kit in this thing, and recommended RPM is 8,600 to 8,800. I'm getting about 89 to 91, so we are going to add some weight to the clutch and see if we can bring those revs down a few hundred RPM, and you know, maybe that will affect performance, maybe a little better performance, or at the very least, I guess the motor is not over revving. Save fuel. I don't know. What do you think? Something like that.
Well, sounds good.
Okay, and this is my buddy Rick. He's helping me out. Good guy, knows his shit, so he's gonna help me get this done.
So, for the record, I'm a vintage guy. I don't usually work on anything that's like newer than 1990. So he's letting me be a guinea pig here and check out his new sled, and I'm along for the ride. So we're gonna figure this out together.
Yeah, and after you're gonna see some of the older stuff sitting over here. We got some old Yammies here, and we're gonna show you those after. So, all right, so we're taking the belt off, Rick. Is that what we're doing right now?
Yep, I'm gonna get the belt off, and we're gonna change the weights on this clutch while it's still on the sled. So. A lot of guys would knock the clutch right off the motor and do it on the bench, but we're going to do it while it's connected right to the motor.
Some special stuff, eh?
There's copper coat.
Oh, okay.
This
that's the copper one, yeah.
Recommended to me from a guy in the military. So this is what they use on tanks.
So if this is good for a tank, it's good for this tank. Yeah, it just so happens this thing is a tank, so we're
Get
gonna
it stuck and you'll find out.
Yeah, exactly.
Should be able to come on there. Yeah.
Just like that.
We're going to compress the clutch, we're going to compress it with the
Yeah.
clamp. Then we're going to be very careful while we're taking the weights out. You don't put your fingers into it.
No.
You keep everything on the outside
For sure.
so that you're not losing a fingertip with it if it ever let go on you.
We're adding more weight to the weights to bring my RPMs down, so I'm going to put this screw, 2 washers on there in here. We've done the other 2 already, and then we're putting it back together and then getting onto the sliders.
Yeah.
That's how you do it. Weights are back in, belts on, Bob's your uncle. All right, we're gonna do a slider change. Nope, not fit crazy.
Yeah, crazy. But just looking through here, it looks like
We wanted to stick them in the track, but obviously that ain't gonna happen. A lot of times you can put your sliders through those windows.
so close. Can I try it first? Awesome.
We're gonna kick.
You won't be able to put the new ones in, but
He's gonna try it, but we're probably gonna have to take the skid out. If you have a fourth wheel kit, loosen it up because it needs to be able to slide. That's the back off quite a bit. Okay, I can see it coming through the wall. Yeah, don't slap that track too hard. You might need a tetanus shot.
You gotta put it in. Whatever you have.
That's pretty loose. Now you're going to take out the bolts that are holding the rear suspension in. There's 2 back here, 2 in the front.
I do a rigid tool endorsement.
Yeah.
Don't ever waste your money on rigid tools, ever. If I had the clock to turn back, I would throw these back at Home Depot.
And he would have bought a DeWalt.
Yes.
Got your 2 screws up at the front and take those out. You see that fella standing in the background with the broken wing? That's what happens when you try to lift a Skidoo 1200 4-stroke.
Okay, those are good sliders. They don't even cut. They don't even sand. Normally I'd chamfer an edge right off of that. Yeah. And that's not even, it's not even touching it. Look at that. The corner.
On one side?
Turn left. Left turn.
What year is this Venture?
The Venture's a 93.
93. Look at this thing. It's mint. God. Look at the seat. It's crazy. you got? 10,000 kilometers. Thing is like showroom. Oh, this thing has reverse too, eh?
Yeah.
Oh my god, that's cool. This is a 2004, correct?
Yeah.
SX Venom 600 triple. Very reliable machine. Yeah, nice polished tunnel on it. Very nice. How many kilometers on this one?
6,700.
6,700. Beauty. Yeah. Yeah, it's clean and it hasn't. Haven't even had the full treatment.
The full jam, yeah.
Nice, reliable Yamaha. It's the way to go, eh, Rick? Yes.
In my mind, anyway.
Yeah. Yeah.